Ready for a fun-filled culinary adventure? Dive into our Food Olympics Challenge, where your team will compete in thrilling food-based events, testing your collaboration and competitive spirit. Step 1. Gather your team and gear up for heart-pumping events like the Lassi Plank, Pani Puri Tower, and more. Step 2. Collaborate, strategize, and cheer each other on as you tackle each event and push your limits. Step 3. Compete for the coveted gold medal, showcasing your team's skills, creativity, and teamwork in every challenge. Step 4. Celebrate your wins and bond over a shared love for food, leaving with lasting memories and bragging rights. The Food Olympics Challenge is designed to foster teamwork, communication, and camaraderie while offering a fun, competitive experience. Ready to conquer the culinary world? Sign up and let the games begin.